Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see liked videos you have ever liked on YouTube. So if you want to see the list of videos you have ever liked on YouTube, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. And in App Store, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And after that, you have to check it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the YouTube app. And after that, you have to simply open the app. And after opening the app, you have to simply click on the profile section. And here you will find the option of liked videos here. But the other option available, you have to simply click on settings. And after that, you have to simply go to general. And after that, you have to simply go back and you can simply click on manage all history. And here you can simply find all of your liked videos in your account settings. So here you have to simply look for controls and interaction. So if you click on interaction, you can simply click on view likes and dislikes. So here you can simply find all the videos you have ever liked with time frame. So here you can simply check for all your like videos you have ever made on YouTube. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.